Yeah. Hi everybody. What's happening? Well, it's in. It's finally in. Let's go. We are super excited about this one. The other motor's sitting on the run cradle right now. So first thing's going to be first, we're going to get the hood up. We've got to do pilot holes in our hinges and our brackets for location so we know where we are, because it works really well, so we don't want to lose that. We're going to pop the hood off of it. I'll get Rebecca out here to give me a hand a little later on. We'll get the hood off of this thing. I've already gone around and started labeling all the wiring so I know where everything goes. And that should be it, and then we can start yanking this baby out. So I'm super excited to get going on this, super excited to get that motor up and out, get the other one on this run stand running here. We're going to use the rad that's in here on the run stand, which is great because it mounts up to everything, so we're going to be good there. But this is awesome. Can't wait to get this thing going. It's going to be nice to be able to spend some time and do this, get it up and running, and then we can start doing some lettering and some pinstriping down it and really make this our work truck, our little mobile business card, and have something fun to play in. Hope everybody's having the best day ever, because we're about to make it the best day ever. Let's get into it. Perfect. Okay, we've got a helper out here tonight. She's gonna give us a hand if we can catch her and pick her up. There she is. Penelope is gonna give us a hand to get this hood off of here. Not Rebecca, obviously. You want a drill? You want your drill? All right, we're gonna pop the hood off this thing, get it set out of the way, and then that way I can keep going and get this engine out. Okay. Pug has to be put down first. The pug has to be down. One. You got it?
Hope so.
Okay. Back out from it. Back your head out. There we go. Lift up. Okay. Keep coming. Coming. Okay. Now, right there. Now swing to your left. It's like this. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Watch there's boards in front of you, so step up. There we go.
Oh my god, there's a fire. It's walking towards me.
Okay. Up we go. Perfect. Excellent. Right there. Thank you. Okay, I think your time's up. Oh, you're more than welcome to hang out when I yank this thing out, for sure. And we're gonna get on this thing, and we'll start getting this thing tore down, and we'll get this baby. Yes.
Have I told you lately that I'm a big fan?
Well, that's kind of a medium fan. There's a big fan right there. So that's a medium fan.
Yeah, I'm also that fan.
I'm a big fan of you. Okay, that's enough for the shop. Let's get to work. Jesus. Let's I never like the look of that. That's not what you want to see, that's for sure. So let's drop the bottom one and see what happens. Jeez, I don't think there's anything in the rad. Well, we're gonna actually pull the rad out completely anyways, because we're gonna use it over in the run cradle when we run the other motor, because I think I'm gonna have to get a new rad, because that spot right there. It's all bent and all smashed in from when the harmonic balancer spun off of it. So I don't know whether it's leaking. This thing's full. It'll work enough for the run stand because it's just got to cool while we're just tuning and checking things. So I think I'm just going to buy a new rad for this and be done with it and not have to worry about it. I definitely don't want any rad issues. Here, I'm going to grab the light and I'm going to show you what the harmonic balancer actually looks like. Check this out.
That was gonna work because if I couldn't get the beginning part, then I was just thinking there's times where then it just snowballs and nobody.
It's pretty crazy. She got a pretty good curve on her. So the gentleman that owned this truck that this happened to, he's got another block. He's got the original one that come out, and he's really hoping the top end on that motor had something happen to it, but the bottom end is okay, and that's why he went and got this thing. But now the bottom end on this thing is done. So we've popped the covers off and had a look at things. Top end looks okay, so hopefully it hasn't screwed anything that way. But regardless, he's gonna try to make 1 out of 2 and see what happens. If not, there's not much you can do when you've got something like that. So that's good. So we'll unbolt the rad and we'll pull this baby out, and then we're almost there. I wondered what something happened, but looks like a screwdriver was... Somebody left a screwdriver down inside the rad, so that's always good. So looks like we have another screwdriver. So that's funny. I don't know, this rad might be okay, but I don't know if I really want to chance it. Top of the housing's let go a little bit, so I think we're better just to get another one and be done with it. We'll use this for the run cradle. All right, look at all the room for activities in here. I need to disconnect these and the loop. So I'm going to leave all that attached to the truck, and we'll just take it off here, and we'll take it off here. And then that way I will put it right back to where it needs to be on the other motor. Costata. I know it works. I tried cranking before I disconnected everything, and it works. Which is fine, but we have a brand new one in the box as well, ready to go. So that's cool. We're putting all our bolts with everything, so then we have everything. Put bolts back in everything, so we have everything. Bell housing disconnected. Rad's out, starter's off. And that's probably it. Oh, baby. All right. Cool. Okay, so. Awesome. So let's go get the crane. We'll get that thing hooked on and pull this baby up and out. All right, that's good. Here she comes. God, excuse me. Guess there was a little bit of... I never drained the oil out of it, so I kind of figured there'd be some in there. And having that thing wide open, kind of forgot it would just pour out of there because I had to tip it up over top of the rad cradle. I didn't feel like pulling the whole front clip out. However, I did have to let the air out of the front tires to get it down enough, and then thank God for the leveler to be able to up and over and twist it. So we're good here. So I'm gonna get this thing down on the ground.
What your parents went through, and you're gonna find out how trauma works.
Ah, there we go. Lean her back a bit.
How are you planning on it? Like what?
Till the next time, go watch some more videos. Thanks for watching.